Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to present about intonation and aspect of connected speech. And the first material will be delivered by Nisa.
Intonation. Intonation is the song of sentence of the query of presentation, the height and low tones of a sentence. For example, pay attention to the following three sentences. What does it mean? We have to work hard. Tomorrow morning, this work must be finished, said mother. By paying attention to the example above, the song in sentence and intonation will look like this. Sentence 1, rising intonation. Sentence 2, flat intonation. Sentence 3, falling intonation. Form and function in intonation. Intonation is the query of pronunciation and rhythm of sentence in dialogue. Another definition of a query in presenting the height and low of a tone. Intonation is often also called sentence of song. The function of intonation is to provide impensing in a word. The aim is that the tone that has been produced can be conveyed by the recipient of the message, especially the meaning of the word spoken. The intonation form is in the form of writing structure such as commas, periods, question marks, and exclamation marks. Tone and tone language. Tone or pitch relates to the height and low of a sound. If a segmental sound is uttered with a high vibrato frequency, it will certainly be accompanied by a high pitch. On the other hand, it is spoken with a low vibrato frequency, it will certainly be accompanied by a low tone. In phonology, tonal language refers to the use of tone in a language to different meaning between different words of phrase. In some language, different in tone can significantly change the meaning of a word or phrase. For example, in Mandarin, words spoken with different tones have different meaning. Complex tone and pitch height. Complex tone and chord refer to music that has a melody or series of notes that are difficult and high in nature, perhaps with complex note patterns or complex harmonies. This term describes music that requires a deep musical understanding to be fully appreciated. Example of complex tones and overtones. Example of music with complex pitch and tone can be found in the works of classical artists such as Ludwig van Beethoven, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, composition with complex melodies, complex harmonies, and musically that require a deep understanding of music theory. Some function of English tones. Tone in English have the several functions, including conveying emotion. The tone of voice can indicate despair or sadness. Marking question, a rising tone of voice at the end of a sentence indicates a question, while a falling tone indicates a statement. Showing how important something is, tone of voice can place emphasis on certain word or phrase, showing how important the information is in the context of the conversation. And last, tone on other words. In phonology language, tone can be defined as the high and low sound produced when speaking or singing. In this context, tone can be described using terms such as high, low, rising, or falling to express the variety of sounds in a language.
Okay, Nisa, I will continue. Aspect of connected speech. Many years ago, scientists tried to develop machines that produce speech from a vocabulary of pre-recorded words. The machines were designed to join these words together to form sentences. This technique was usable, but for other purposes, the quality of the speech was so unnatural that it was practically unintelligible. In recent years, development in computer technology have led to big improvement in this way of producing speech, but the inadequacy of the original mechanical speech approach has many reasons to teach us about pronunciation, teaching, and learning. In looking at connected speech, it is useful to bear in mind the difference between the way humans speak and what would be found in mechanical speech. Rhythm. The notion of rhythm involves some noticeable event happening at regular intervals of time. One can detect the rhythm of a heartbeat, of a blazing light, or of a piece of music. It has often been claimed that English speech is rhythmical, and that the rhythm is detectable in the regular occurrence of stressed syllables. The theory that English has stressed time rhythm implies that stressed syllables will tend to occur at relatively regular intervals, whether they are separate by unstressed syllables or not. This would not be the case in mechanical speech. An example is given below. In this sentence, the stressed syllables are given numbers. Syllables 1 and 2 are not separate by any unstressed syllables. 2 and 3 are separate by one unstressed syllable. 3 and 4 by 2, and 4 and 5 by 3. Assimilation. The device mentioned earlier, the produced mechanical speech would contain all the words of English, each having been recorded in isolation. A significant difference in natural connected speech is the way that sounds belonging to one word can cause change in sounds belonging to neighboring words. Assuming that we know how to phonemes of a particular word would be released when the word is pronounced in isolation. In cases where we find a phoneme released differently as a result of being near some other phoneme belonging to a neighbor word, we call this difference an instance of assimilation. Assimilation is something which varies in extent according to speaking rate and style. It is more likely to be found in rapid, casual speech and less likely in slow, careful speech. As an example, consider a case where two words are combined, the first of which end with a single final consonant, which we call TF, and the second of which start with a single initial consonant, which we call it CI. Elision. The nature of elision may be stated quite simply: under certain circumstance, sounds disappear. One might express this in more technical language by saying that in certain circumstance, of phoneme may be released as zero or have zero resolution or be deleted. As with assimilation, elision is typical of rapid casual speech. Producing elision is something which foreign learners do not need to learn to do, but it is important for them to be aware that when native speakers of English talk to each other, quite a number of phonemes that the foreigner might expect to hear are not actually pronounced.
Linking in our hypothetical mechanic speech, all words will be spelled until placed next to each other in sequence. In real connected speech, however, we link words together in a number of ways. The most familiar case is the use of linking the phoneme R does not occur in syllable final position in the BBC accent, but when the spelling of a word suggests of final R, and a word beginning with a vowel now follows, the usual pronunciation is to pronounce with R. Some English speakers and teachers still regard this as incorrect or substandard pronunciation, but it is undoubtedly whispered linking and intrusive are special case of juncture. We need to consider the relationship between one sound and the sound that immediately preceded and follow it. All right, I think that's all for us. Thank you for watching.